Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kazi Azmir, and welcome back to another Semantic SEO video. Today, I wanted to talk about how to create. So this is the question was going through my head, and I have seen some other people asking this type of question, that how to create a topical map based on Semantic SEO or queries framework for a e-commerce website. Now, if I go to my SOP that was mainly created by Mohammed Hamid Khan and Germans, so you can see that the SOP includes multiple phases. In the phase 1, you can see that define source context, business model, establish the central entity, and then the so on, the core section, outer section, and stuff. Now, in Chorus framework, while creating the topical map, we first have to define what is the source context and what is the central entity. But when it comes to e-commerce, you have multiple products. So if you define one single central entity, that would be not possible to cover all the products, right? So in that case, the thing you have to do is to take multiple central entity. So if I show you quickly, this SOP is phase 1. In the phase 1, you have to define the source context and the central entity, map out the ontologies and taxonomies, define your target audience, like what is going to be the core section and what is going to be the outer section. And then reverse engineering the main competitors. Then you have to collect all the data from GSC, LLMs, Wikipedia, and then apply those to as a query templates, and then find the possible attributes. Then what you have to do is data synthesis, collecting everything and structuring them based on your SERP analysis, like SERP based clustering, and apply proper filtering. Then the real topical map is created, finalizing where you put the title or h1, the URL slug, and publication frequency or date, something like this one. If I zoom out, so you can see there are a lot of things going on in a topical map. But when it comes to e-commerce SEO, if you only do one single topical map, that is not enough, because one topical map, you will just cover one single product. When it comes to e-commerce SEO, you have to do is to cover multiple. You have to create multiple topical maps, and then connect the roots of the each of the topical map, and connect those routes together in your homepage. So this is just my understanding. Maybe there are some different approach. I have no questions about those. This is my personal approach. So if I go to the painting app and try to show you how this can be implemented, let's say you have 4 products, okay, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say you have 4 products, and let's say you are selling something organic. So your organic products could be this one could be you are selling honey, you are selling, let's say, in pink salt, or Baja salt, something like that. Then probably you are selling something something can be from sea, like sea kelp or seaweed, or maybe some other product like wheatgrass juice powder or something like that. So let's say these are your 4 topics, and or 4 categories of products. Now you will have to create a route for each of these products. So let's say this is the route of each of these categories. So let's say if this is the honey, the 20 benefits of honey can be a route, 20 benefits of Himalayan salt is a route, 20 benefits of It is this seal kelp or seaweed is a root, and 20 benefits of the other product is a root. That can be a root. Now this is your root, okay? This circular thing is your root, and this square shape is like your square or rectangular shape is like your seeds. It includes your seeds and notes and stuff, or everything. Here is your subtopics and topics. You clustered them in here, and then you internal link to all your subtopics to your root, and you do the same with these topics as well, these categories as well. And then what you do is you create a kind of like a mega root for all of these, and you connect them to this main root, like from this root to this root to this one. Now what can be this mega root? The mega root can be your homepage. To my knowledge, your e-commerce homepage is your mega root, where you can link to your individual roots of individual categories of product, and you can link back and forth from this, and from these topics you will link to this root, and from this route you will link to this mega route. So this is kind of like an overall strategy of creating topical maps for your e-commerce website. So what you will have to do, you have to create multiple topical maps, and you will have to connect those multiple topical maps to your homepage, and you'll have to have like multiple routes based on your categories, and your routes should be your routes will have like nodes and seeds like subtopics. So you will have to create for each of your category like a topical map like this one, that's why the topical maps of a e-commerce e-commerce website is pretty intensive. Like you have to create a lot of topics and stuff based on your budget and your client's budget or understanding. So you will have to create all multiple separate topical maps for your e-commerce website. Then you will have to connect with your routes to the mega route. So this is kind of like my strategy of creating topical map based on like Semantic SEO or Chorus framework. If you have any other strategy, let me know in the comments or in the message. I am open to know your how you do it. So yeah, this is for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.